Hello, myself, this is next. So here one person told that the 35 crore population, here basically I have taken the example of oil only basically. Like this, many human needs data basically are there. They basically checks basically. This person basically body data is dumped here basically. So if he will end basically, anything is going to affect basically. Because it might possible that when the human need basically data comes out basically, that time basically that person basically might not be exist. So one person told that yes here basically we actually never thought this basically. So here one person told that Mumbai thought this basically. Mumbai basically thought this basically. Do you know what? Sunil basically ignored basically in that 15 lakh liter basically oil. In that basically they thought this basically. They basically somebody basically thought this up to this level basically. If Sunil Arnar basically will not exist, then what are the things basically going to happen basically. So for that basically he ignored Sunil Nair basically flat in Mumbai basically. So here basically we are not taking personally basically, just taking rough example basically. Up to what level human thinking is there basically. The Abhiman of Mumbai creation basically. In that basically they used Sunil Nair as a lesson basically. That see basically we have fired basically Sunil Nair from Mumbai land basically. So that only time basically will tell. So here one person told like this basically things are connected basically. And this everything is done basically. So here we are taking the example that basically the 1 lakh human needs basically which is getting processed basically that is directly connected with the 700 crore population basically. So one person told that yes here basically that actually we never thought. Zoology department also wrote that basically. This actually we never thought basically Sunil. We have to do lots of R&D now basically after this video basically. So one person told that 15 lakh liter oil basically is already processed basically. 5 lakh building basically is already created. In that basically there is no space of Sunil Nair. So next video.